The question on everyone's mind. It's on your mind when you go to bed. It's on your mind when you take a bathroom break at work just to scroll crypto Twitter. It's on your mind when you're daydreaming your Hawaiian vacation at the beach. When altcoin season. If you had put a whole stimulus check, just $1,400 from 2020 into almost any top coin, you would have boasted $50,000 to $80,000 gains. If you had put it into Solana, you would have topped around $200,000 if you had taken profit all at once at the perfect time. What about this cycle? Find out in this video. Let's get it. I'm not a financial advisor. Welcome to the channel. I'm your host, the BitBoy. If you want to learn more about crypto and how to play the crypto markets to put you and your family in a better financial position, make sure to subscribe to the channel and make sure to also smash that like button if you find value in this video. I think you're going to. These cycles don't repeat, but they do rhyme.
BitBoy version 2, a gateway to where the crypto winners be. Just hit subscribe and then soon you'll begin to see. It's the type of feeling that will never leave your memory. We back with bull market energy.
What we want to know is, what are the signs that life-changing money is about to come to your favorite altcoins? The first important note here is that you want to be in the right coins, but that's a video for another day. For altcoin season as a whole, you won't be able to know down to the minute since these things always come with some kind of bullish story that triggers it. Or it comes with just one coin that starts running and it kicks off the rest. However, you can pay attention to cycle trends to know when the altcoin season you've been waiting for is getting close. The signal that you have to understand right now is Bitcoin dominance.
Bitcoin dominance takes the market cap of Bitcoin divided by the market cap of all crypto. So because of how money flows in crypto, what usually happens is whenever Bitcoin dominance goes down, this means altcoins are going up against Bitcoin. And this is what you usually call a alt season.
In the 2017 cycle, the high for Bitcoin dominance was over 95%. Since this was really the first cycle with altcoins, Bitcoin dominance would be on a weekly downtrend ever since, with the exception of major relief rallies in the year following the bear market bottom. In the last cycle, Bitcoin dominance topped out just over 73% on December 28, 2020. This would be just under a year before the bull run would be over, and that next year was up and away for altcoins. It was a hard grind down for Bitcoin dominance.
I have these two significant levels here drawn out. In the past 2 years, whenever Bitcoin dominance revisited these peaks, it usually led to a collapse. Subsequently, these were really good altcoin seasons, times to buy altcoin. And similarly, whenever Bitcoin dominance bottomed, these usually led to a rally in Bitcoin dominance in which altcoins bleed against Bitcoin.
See, the thing that tells you when altcoin season is around the corner is when Bitcoin dominance starts to get overheated. We might not know exactly when it will top out, but you should ask yourself, how much higher can it really go? With this last dip in the crypto markets, altcoins bled hard against Bitcoin, and Bitcoin dominance made a new high at just under 58%. One could argue that we haven't had enough cycles to measure this yet, but the trend so far is that Bitcoin dominance puts in lower highs each cycle, with the last one coming in just over 73%, and this time coming in just below 58% so far. How much higher can it really go? Another 2%, 5%, or is it already topped? Either way, the altcoin season we've all been waiting for seems coiled up and closer than ever to an 8 to 12 month long parabolic uptrend. With many altcoins just barely putting in higher lows from the bear market bottoms, right now may be your next best opportunity to stack those altcoin bags. Also, the most promising altcoins to look at with fresh sentiment in their favor might just be the ones that are still a couple exits up from their bear market lows. Carl from the Moon shows Bitcoin dominance in a rising wedge pattern ready to break any day. Here's Carl talking a little bit about altcoin season.
When Bitcoin is taking an actual break and not just forming a bull flag, then people want to put their money somewhere else, and then it goes into altcoins, and then you're going to see these crazy 50x, 100x, even 300x. That can happen within weeks, which is absolute insanity, but it's inevitable. It happens every cycle, and it's going to happen again.
The real question when it comes to altcoin season is not what day on the calendar is it going to start. It's getting closer each day. The question is, are your bags packed for the trip? Now's the time to do your own research and get exposure in your portfolio to the sectors which represent the hottest niches in crypto. Which altcoins are you packing your bags with? Drop your comments down below. Make sure to smash that like button if you found value in this video. That's all I got. Be blessed. Boy out.